Alright, hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is June 3rd when I'm recording this, and got a lot to show you guys today. It was a great day in the morning. We got off a couple option trades and made some big money with them. So let me go show you what that looks like. Because, you know, coming in on from Friday, seeing that huge move to the upside, kind of feeling, you know, lame about missing some of it. But we did sell some put credit spreads at the bottom, perfectly timed that, nailed those, and then just did not expect the market to move up the way it did. But when the market gapped up like this, off of a huge move like that, it really provided us an opportunity, and so we faded the market right at the open. And let me show you guys what that looks like through the alerts. So for anybody else who wanted to kind of see how this has been looking, so right at the morning, you can see here 6:40, so I'm on the West Coast. It was 10 minutes after the open, sold the 532 calls for 38 cents. Now eventually, you can see over here, we bought back the short strike for 5 cents, basically getting us, I think it was about 87%, so 87%, pretty close like that. In fact, let me bring this up so you guys can see it and follow along. So we got that. Maybe I'll make this a little bit smaller for us. Okay. And then as we're going along, we decided to turn this around. So here you go. Here are what we sold, bought it back for 87%. And then over here, you can see that I figured this thing was going to keep going down. It did a perfect maneuver, perfectly like one of the maneuvers that I look for in the Moxie room. And so we bought 525 puts for about 27 cents. I also picked up some for about 22 cents because it did move down after this. And then as time went on, we even bought the SPXS, which is the leveraged inverse ETF for those who wanted to do just stock. Made about 2.5% off of that. And then, as time went on, we let this thing go. So we sold half of it for 80 cents. That's 240% gain. That way it was a free trade, you know, risk-free. And then as time went on, we sold a little bit more for $100.57. So that's 570%. And then the final one we sold for was $1.75 for 690%. And as I said, that one perfectly hit our target, which is down here at the 15-minute 50. So basically shorted it from the morning, bought it all back right here, sold it at the 15-minute 50, and now we're free and clear. Now, as far as that goes, so that was for me, that was a $7,700 day. So $7,700 for just a few hours of work this morning. So pretty nice to be able to catch that. And then as far as the rest of the market, you know, we're mostly sideways, but I'm a little concerned. I know we're bouncing here, so we'll have to see how that goes. But I'm a little concerned that we might actually be getting rejected by the hourly 50. The Moxie indicator is below zero, so this is something we've been talking to the subscribers for. It's really challenging to figure out exactly where we're going from here. Originally trying to pull back from here made sense. We came all the way down to first the 21, then the daily 50. That all makes sense too. And now we really need the market to kind of decide where it wants to go, because it can come down here, bounce, and then roll over. That's perfectly possible. Or it can kind of recover and eventually recover, and then, you know, keep going up. So we're playing a little bit of defense right now because everything that I'm seeing is saying that we could be leaning toward the downside. So until I see more information, we've kind of pocketed some stuff and took some things off the table just because things are looking a little bit sloppy out there. So just being kind of careful. The biggest concern I have is kind of this hourly chart. I want to see if we in fact do get rejected by this and we go lower. If we do, then I'm glad we sold. If we continue to go up, hey, then we'll find new entries to get in and see how things really shape up from there. All right, guys. So just remember, if you are interested in the Moxie room, if you're like to see these new trades that I'm doing as far as the options go, since I know we got a lot of options people out there. But yeah, 87% on that call credit spread that funded the other one. So today was just a huge day all the way around. As I said, $7,700 for me as far as the gains on this one. And not too shabby for a Monday. All right, guys. So thanks again. Come over to simplertrading.com/Moxie, and we'll see you in there.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.